Assalamualaikum teman-teman. Sekarang kita akan solve Rubik's Cube as fast. Kita akan scramblekan pakai sarung tangan. Itu kita akan solvekan pakai dua tangan. Oh yeah, I'm also changing my languages. Here's the cube. Scramble it up. I'm just doing random moves. And then let's solve it. Okay, first up we need to make a daisy. So in order to make daisy, we need to put white edge on all these. Here, and all the way here. We only have one right here. Oh, we have one so here, right here. So we turn it, and then we turn this one. We turn this back and turn this one. I'm so close to making daisy. We just need to find another one. Okay, it's right here. So right here, up. But that one is changed. So we have to use the empty spot. And LeBron James. We got it, the daisy. This spin around. Now that's connected. So this blue and connected to a center cap. So turn it upside down, all the way down to the white. We need to make the plus. And do that to the other one. Boom, the plus is done. And these ones are also done. So first, we need to make the first layer. Not the first face, the first layer. This is a red and blue. This is a red and green center. So we turn it to here. You can face it anyway. You can face it to here, up, or all the way to the right. But my one's up, so you do some algorithms. It's a right algorithm. You push it up, push right here, down, and boom. Now down there, but do another one of those, and keep doing it 3 times until solved. Why 3 times? Because I don't know. Oh yeah, because it's facing up. But now there's another one. It's a blue and orange. So it reaches in the blue and orange center. So it's already correct. But this one's the left side right here. So do here, do a left diagonal. Up here, move down, boom. Just 2 more corners and the first layer will be solved. Not the edge, the corner, but the layer. Okay, do something on all of them. And it should be solved. Okay, next up is the edge. Yeah, is the yellow and green edge. So it should be right here. But we put it 1 turn away and then do a reverse. I took out the corner, so we do the thing to solve the corner, and boom, we solve the edge by using the corner. And now just keep repeating that on all edge. But this one needs to go to here. And then just do another L, just do the lefty L, get them ready. And oh no. We have encountered a pitfall. This edge is switched. So we do take it out. Boom. Then there's what you're looking for. It's right up there. You can solve it the normal way. Here, bam, bam, bam. Now 1 more. And the second one is complete. Now we just need the third one. This it can be in any direction. It can be a line, an L, or a dot. Now it's a line, so we twist here and do a righty algorithm and undo the first move, and boom, your plus is done. Oh yeah, for the, I forgot to say this for the first one, but the white plus has to be all the way at the bottom. I forgot to say that in the first one. And the plus is to is simply on opposite of each other or right beside. Mine was beside, so put them back and right, and then do the soon algorithm. Do a new one. Put up, put it back, and put this down, and put this back, and when it goes up, turn it all around just to put it back down and twist. Boom. Now you need to make these corners in the perfect, well, not solve them yet, but just make sure they're in the perfect place. We know our algorithm. Oh, not real algorithm. Yes, but you have eyes, so it'll be very easy. Here, and put that in the back. But without line the cross, then we here, and back, here, and then do the same thing. And then just keep do that. Keep twisting the cube. Your algorithm. It should be so close. Perfect them up. Okay, now when the corners are in the perfect position, we're going to break the rule and put the yellow one down. And this is like correctly. Find the corner that's not solved yet, but is in the correct position. Up, boom, and do the righty algorithm until it's solved. And if it's solved, turn on to the other one, do the same, and it should be solved. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Phone shop. Assalamualaikum teman-teman.